So I'm going to talk very quickly about system dynamics at MIT. Of course, system dynamics was founded at MIT Sloan by Jay Forrester in 1956. Today we have five tenure-line faculty. You see them here. Johan Chu.
No, we
I'll
don't see your slide, John, I don't think.
okay, hold on one
Essentially,
second. Thank you, Rebecca. How about now?
yeah.
Yes.
Okay, great. So Johan Chu, who's assistant professor, Hajir Rahmandat, who's full professor in system dynamics, Nelson Repenning, full professor, myself, and Vicky Yang, who's an assistant professor. So we've got five tenure-line faculty and many other faculty, senior lecturers, and research affiliates who are doing system dynamics at least some of the time and collaborating with us. And you see some of the names here. And I would encourage you to just Google all these folks to find out more about what they're up to. We have very close links to the MIT Sloan Sustainability Initiative, which I co-founded in 2007, and where we use system dynamics extensively. We have a certificate program there. I think this year, roughly 88 people are going to earn that. We're also heavily engaged in the brand new MIT Climate Policy Center, where we use the En-ROADS model that many of you are familiar with, and other system dynamics and other research with faculty across the institute, and the MIT Institute for Data Systems and Society, which is kind of where complexity science lives at MIT. We have a variety of courses and programs. We have a doctoral program, which I highly recommend anybody interested in a PhD in system dynamics. Many good programs out there. You're going to hear more about that in a minute. But if you're interested in a PhD in system dynamics, highly recommend exploring that with us. Just reach out to me. And all Sloan PhD students get a full fellowship. We also have system dynamics courses in the MBA, executive MBA programs, of which we have two, our undergraduate programs and other degree programs. And some of those courses are required. For example, in the executive MBA programs, they all are required to take the equivalent of a full semester of system dynamics. We also have exec ed programs. The two main ones in system dynamics are the 5-day, once a year in-person course that I run every June, this year, June 16th through the 20th, and then a 2-day program that's offered 3 times a year, once in a live online format and twice in person in Cambridge. And we have custom programs for various corporate clients and other organizations, government, et cetera, that include or are focused on system thinking, system dynamics, process improvement, sustainability. On the research front, I can't possibly do justice to this, but as many of you know, we're heavily engaged in sustainability research with En-ROADS and related models. Nelson Repenning leads our work in process improvement and a new method he's pioneered called dynamic work design. Really great, really important. Encourage you to check that out. And then there's a lot of work going on with the other faculty on strategy and organizations, in social learning and collective intelligence, largely led by Vicky, and public health, covering epidemiology, chronic diseases, and a new project Hajir is starting on healthy cities. So I think I've used my time, but there's a lot more going on. Feel free to ask when we get to that point in the program, and just email me at jsterman@mit.edu if you'd like further information. Thank you.